Okay, for today assignment, we will do the coral reef image segmentation, and our group is my name is Mujahid Ismail and my friend Gary Lim. So for the content in the our presentation, first will be introduction, literature review, research methodology, result and discussion, and conclusion. Okay, for the introduction, coral reef are diverse ecosystem that play a crucial role in protecting shorelines and providing habitats for marine life. Marine scientists often conduct a population survey to estimate the number of coral reef manually, analyzing each image individually. However, this process is time-consuming and laborious. Okay, next, we will go to the literature review. Coral reef play a crucial role in marine ecosystem, providing a habitat for a wide range of marine life. So for the thresholding methods are characterized by their simplicity and computational efficiency. However, they can be susceptible to noise and variation in illumination. Next, deep learning approach have the capability to acquire intricate features from data and achieve remarkable precision. But they demand substantial quantities of label data and computational resources. Deep learning techniques have proven their effectiveness in accurately segmenting coral reef in underwater image. Next, the UNet-based segmentation method has demonstrated efficiency in coral surveying and has exhibited superior accuracy compared to pixel-wise CNN modeling. Um, and the last one is according to Alonso and Riegel, automated segmentation methods have been assessed for their effectiveness in accurately segmenting coral reef in underwater image. Moving on to the next part, research methodology. In this study, we focus on the segmentation of coral reef and sand in underwater image using MATLAB. The segmentation process involves converting RGB image to grayscale and applying thresholding technique. Thresholding always allow us to separate the object of interest, which is coral reef and sand, from the background. Hotsus method was used to determine the optimal threshold value for segmentation.
So for the operations used, first the threshold masks are being used for generating the mask, and then the noise removal algorithms such as erosion and dilution is being used to remove the small noises that exist on the mask. After that, smoothing is done using the Gaussian filter to make the mask more smooth. And finally, the mask is being used for segmentation to distinguish between coral and sand. Lastly, the area of the sand or the coral is being calculated using the MATLAB function. So, as a conclusion, the goal of this project is achieved, though to a certain extent. While we are able to segment the coral and measure the area of the corals, there are still limitations to this solution. This is because there's no universal algorithm, there's no simple algorithm that can fit all of the use cases. While the possible solutions might be using AI such as machine learning to better identify using training the models. Well, there's another problem encountered during the project, which is overfitting. While you are trying to over make a solution for one of the picture to be as accurate as possible to segment the corals, it just might not work on other images because all of the images have different status. So it is important to note that you must avoid overfitting while performing the operations. So that's all for the project, and thank you.